Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of my E39. As you all remember, last time I replaced the bumper, did all the headlight washer nozzles and stuff like that, because first of all it was broken, it looked ugly, and the second of all I needed to do the inspection. It's like every year when you have an old car. I passed the inspection, no issues whatsoever. Even the emissions were better than the cars nowadays, or the new cars. So that was a surprise for me. Only bad feedback I got is I need to replace the rear braking lines because they were rusty. I don't get it. When I first revealed the car, I showed you underneath the car, but maybe I just missed them, I don't know. But anyway, I need to fix those. This means one thing is for sure, I'm not gonna buy a roll of copper lines and I'm gonna and bend them myself. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm too lazy for that, and I don't have the special tools to do the fittings and everything. So I'm trying to find maybe a decent used ones, or maybe I'm gonna buy a new ones from the dealership. I have to check the price, but this is for the later. But the funny thing is, when you go to the inspection, they like inspect everything underneath, all the engine emissions, does the seat belt works, all the hazard lights, high beams, low beams, everything, the horn, everything. And also the windows. Do they roll down? Do they roll up? Yeah, they did. Except this one. The passenger side went down and got stuck. Yeah, it's closed at the moment because it's shitty weather outside and I needed to close it somehow, so I removed all the door panels and everything and closed the window. Otherwise I would be driving a pool full of water, and this ain't funny. So yeah, today that's how I drove here, completely, I would say, naked. Panel off, the insulation off, everything. And what I noticed is someone has replaced the window lifter with the aftermarket one. And those, not for me. And the second thing is, where is my key? It hurts my ears. And it comes up so slowly, it's like getting jammed or something. But the down is... Can you feel it? It's like a beautiful song for my ears. And I think I know what's the problem. I just realized it now. Well, when you push the button downwards, you can see this little plastic wheel or something is moving. But the other one, it gets stuck, and I have no idea why. That's why I'm gonna fix the issue today, or at least I have a used one with me, and I hope this will solve the problem. I'm gonna replace it, and then we can see what's the result. Here's the used one. Luckily, back in the day, I was parting out E39s. I think I parted out 7, 8 E39s. And some of the parts I still have in my basement, so I don't have to buy them. I'm just gonna, if something breaks and I have it. I'm just gonna go dig it out and take it with me and replacing it. So, but yeah, there's not much left, but I have front, back, facelift, pre-facelift. Also I parted out one E38 in the past, so I have window lifters for that as well, and some small bits and pieces. But yes, I think it's enough of the talk. Let's remove the old new one or new old one and replace with the original one. Nice quality. I think it's I'm quite sure that it's the aftermarket one. At least it looks too clean to be used one, but we will find out soon. Now first let's lower down the window. I just love the sound of it. Unscrew the screws and just like magic, the glass, just don't drop it. Those one I don't have spare. I'm just gonna leave it here. There's 2 bolts down here, then T20 2 bolts, T20 2 bolts, or 1 bolt here and another one here. Just remove these and it should come out. Of course, you need to disconnect the connector before I lied to you. There's 3 10mm bolts, and I lied to you again. There's 3 T20 bolts up here. Sorry, I'm such a liar. Yeah, I'm certain that this is aftermarket one because I can't find any BMW logos on it. So yeah, probably made in I don't know where, overseas. And this is the original one. I was wondering where is the BM logo on this one. Is there any? Only what I can read is Kuster 8252392 product code. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure that this is from the factory because this is from my old car. Yeah, I parted out. Unfortunately, the chassis was so bad. I thought I'm gonna restore it, but more I remove the parts, more really bad rust spots come to visible, and then I decided to part it out. So the engine went to, I think it was Opel Omega, something like that. Then the interior is in my friend's car. The steering wheel, I had blue, black, white stitching like our national flag. This one went to my other friend's car, and everything else, I don't know. Something is in my basement somewhere in the boxes collecting dust, but yep. Sad end for a good car. I drove 6 years with it and left me on the side of the road only 2 times. First, the fuel pump died. Well, it happens. And the second one, when I hit the wild boar, then it was completely broken. But yeah, anyway, so this we will put aside. I'm not gonna throw it away. Maybe someday I will need it. I hope I won't. It's just dust. Good enough. Anyway, it's gonna get dirty inside of the door. Now, PTFE lube, but I'm gonna add it later. more bolt, plug in the motor, some grease. Do I dare to test it? No, need to connect that as well. This is the door module. Without it, it just won't operate. So, as easy as it seems, actually that easy it is. So, there's nothing else, just put everything back together like it was and we can call it finished. Let's test again, just in case. Yep, the wire is in place. Everything looks okay. Well, there's nothing else to do than assemble everything. Nice. I don't wanna knock the wood. Sometimes I love when things go smoothly without any like breaking or stuff like that. Now let's put back the insulation. So everything is connected. Now let's install back the speaker. Great, works like a charm. So, the rear brake lines. Well, the hoses are okay, but the lines itself, yeah, they are bad. I don't want to even touch them, otherwise I'm gonna break them and then I'm not able to drive home. But yeah, this is the left side. See the right side. Yeah, well, same. Quite bad. But I'm gonna replace these as well. So I think I have them somewhere in the box, so I don't have to buy them. But yeah. I did some research and looks like the brake lines run from back to front, and to replace them I need to remove them completely. And I think there's no possibility to make the connection somewhere in the middle, and actually I don't want to do it even if there would be a room for that, and this leaves a less chance of leakage. And there is rusty places throughout the whole length, so the best solution is to replace them in full length. This brings me of course to the question, how easy or complicated it will be. Well, we will find out soon. But yeah, thanks for watching that small fixing video, how to fix or replace the window lifter. So next time, I don't know when, like every other time, I don't know when there will be another video available, but I do what I can to make it a little bit faster than the previous time. But once again, thank you for watching. Give thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.